Welcome to this presentation on linear search in Java using a single-dimensional array. In this session, we will explore how to write a Java program that allows a user to input numbers into an array and then search for a specific number using the linear search technique. In this problem, we are asked to create a Java program that accepts 10 different numbers in an array. After that, we input a number to search, and check if it exists in the list using linear search, a simple technique to check each element one by one. The algorithm begins by accepting 10 numbers and storing them in an array. Then, we take the search value as input and check each array element in sequence. If we find a match, we print its position and stop the search. If no match is found after checking all elements, we inform the user that the number is not found. We begin by importing the scanner class to accept input from the user. Then, we define our class linear search and declare the main method. Inside it, we create an integer array of size 10 to store the user input numbers. We prompt the user to enter 10 different numbers. Using a for loop, we store each number entered by the user into the array. The index I goes from 0 to 9 to fill all 10 positions. Next, we ask the user to enter the number they want to search for. We store that value in the variable search. We also initialize a Boolean variable found to keep track of whether the number is found during the search. This is where the linear search happens. We check each element in the array one by one using a loop. If we find a match, we print the position and exit the loop. If we finish the loop without finding the number, we display a not found message. Lastly, we close the scanner object. In this slide you will get the full program link which you can execute the entire program. Also, program link is available in the description box. This table lists and describes the variables used in the program. Each variable plays a specific role, from storing input values to controlling the search and tracking whether the value was found. Here you can see sample output of the program. When the number 50 is searched and found at the 5th position, it is displayed accordingly. In the second case, the number 25 is not in the list, so the program shows a message that it is not found. To recap, the program begins by storing 10 values in an array. Then it takes a search value from the user. Using linear search, it checks each element of the array one by one and displays whether the number is found or not. Let's look at some key points. Linear search is a simple technique to find a value by checking every element. It works well for small data sets, is easy to code, but not efficient for larger arrays as it may need to check every element. Thank you so much for watching this session on array using Java. I hope the explanation made the concept clearer and more enjoyable for you. All the important components, the question, algorithm, Java program, variable table, and output, are available in the description box below. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your classmates, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow programming tutorials. Every share and comment encourages more students to learn with clarity and confidence. Keep practicing, keep building, and remember, your journey to becoming a great programmer starts with mastering the basics. See you in the next session. And as always, happy coding!